Hi, my name is Nicci from M62 Vincis. Vincis is the Latin word that means literally you win. And not only is it our name, it's also our brand promise. What we do is help our clients move from winning 1 in 3 of their deals to winning 3 out of 4 of those deals. Now, we've been doing this for 25 years. We've written 20,000 business-to-business sales presentations, but we've coached 650 complex bid processes. And over those 650, we have helped clients win, on average, 73% of them. That's 3 out of 4, which is our brand promise. Now, we are industry agnostic. We help anybody in any industry, in any language, anywhere over the world. Some of our major clients are in all sorts of industries. IBM and HP are obviously in the IT space. Anthem is a healthcare company. Care UK is healthcare. Sodexo is outsourcing. Mercer is HR. And Limbach is a construction company. And these, not only do they have us in common and the fact that they are winning 3/4 of the bids that we help them with, but they have something else in common that's really important. They are all committed to diversity and inclusion. And that fits with our mission statement, because our mission statement is making D&I win. And what that means is we look for organizations that have good diversity and inclusion policies, and then we get behind them and help them beat their competition in the marketplace, thereby in our small way helping the world evolve towards a more liberal and inclusive environment. Now, how can we help you? Well, we're going to be broadcasting over the next 6 months a series of 12 webinars that are designed to help you beat your competition in the marketplace. Now, they'll cover subjects from what should you say in your pitch all the way down to what you say after your pitch in order to stay in the prospect's mind to help them remember who you are and therefore choose you at the end of the sales cycle. And the format for these will be the same. A 10 to 15 minute, in some cases a 15 to 20 minute presentation about what we've learned from 25 years and 650 of these bids, followed by a 5 to 10 minute Q&A. We broadcast live on YouTube, and you can ask us questions on Twitter and we'll respond. All of them will be recorded and put up on the website so that you can build up a library and share them with your colleagues and get other people involved. But we'd really like you to join us on the live broadcast. Now, because we have a global audience, we've picked a time zone that is flexible for everybody. And so we'll be broadcasting on the 18th of April at midnight in Sydney. Now, we've put 11:59 just so that there's no confusion. It is 11:59 on the 18th, which is the early hours of the 19th. Wouldn't want you to join on the wrong day and miss it, but that's equivalent to 3 o'clock in the afternoon in the UK, 10 o'clock in the morning in New York, and 7 o'clock in the morning in LA and San Francisco for the early risers. Either way, I'd like to thank you if you can join any of these and let us help you win in your marketplace. Thanks for watching. Bye.